Good morning student, I am Amit Kumar. Today I will explain HTML chapter question answer of the following questions each section. Okay, so first question here given, what is a tag? Explain the types of tags. First know about what do you mean by tag. So here written, a tag is the basic formatting tools of HTML. It is used to tell a web browser how and where a particular text is to be displayed in a web page. Means where you want to display the tags. So tag is a, suppose I am taking one examples. See here. This is the examples. In this example, here HTML tag, head, title, many others. So all these are the tags. So here tags are given. So tags always comes in angle brackets. Here angle bracket given now. So all these are the tags. Okay. Next point, explain the types of tags. So how many types of tag? There are two types of tags. How many types of tags? Two types. Empty tags and container tag. Empty tags do not require an off tag. Means suppose here written BR tag. So here no any close tag. Open and close tag both are required, then it is container, and only on tag required, then it is empty tags. Examples here head, here B tags. So it is opening tag and it is close tag. Close tag will here slash given, yes or not? So this is close tag and this is opening tag. Okay, understood? Okay, first question finish. So how many tags? Two types of tag, empty tag and container tag. Here no required off and here on and off both. Okay. Next question, discuss the HTML document structures. Here given HTML document structures. See given. So here to here means HTML. So this part is the head part and here to here is body part. Understood? So what is head part? So head, this is head. Head contains the information about the HTML document. Head, why we use head? Head contains the information about HTML documents. So title of the page, version of the HTML, etc. And second is the body. This contains everything you want to display on the web page. Means everything, just like paragraph writing, text, etc. all things where we write in body parts. Okay, so second question finish. Next is define a web page and a website. What do you mean by web page? A web page is a single document on the internet, like HTTPS means hypertext transfer protocol systems. So here is the web page and a website. A website is a collection of many web pages all linked together, that is website. Okay. Next question is, what is an attribute? Explain with the help of an example. An attribute is an elements that takes a value and it's associated with an object. Means if you want to change the size of the text, color, so put color code, color size, text size, etc. Then we use attributes. During writing time HTML codes, we want to change the text size, then we put the text size. Okay. If you want to change the color, then put the color code. So all these are in attributes. Example, p align center here given. So in this means aligns is an attribute of p tags. It indicates that the text inside the p tags is to be displayed in the center of the browser window. Suppose if you want to write any text in center part, then any paragraph in center part, then we use align tag, align center tags, left right also. Okay, justify also. Next question, explain the tools required to create an HTML document. So there are two types of tools we required for HTML document. First is text editor and second is web browser editor. Text editor, in text editor we take notepad and wordpads for writing the programs, writing the HTML codes. And second is web browser. It is used to display the HTML file where we view on the web browser. So many examples, many web browsers, some web browsers here given: Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, etc. Okay, if any doubt, then ask me, and all objective questions do itself. If any problem, then tell me. Okay student, thank you.